Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seed from the 19th to the 23rd of September 2022 on Monday. Mazulu and Sbongile surprise Zithulele with a visit in prison. Makhosazana loses it with the IT guy when he can't trace the mysterious email she is receiving. Poppy is nervous about the girls Nomsa is flaunting before Zithulele on Tuesday. Makhosazana receives another email telling her that Nirupa has her money. Nirupa refuses to give Makhosazana her money and Makhosazana confronts Nirupa with a gun. Mbali and Sebenze discuss the compensation from Pakat. Mbali thinks she is mad not to take it on Wednesday. Mazulu is super excited about going to the obstetrician with Sbongile, but little does she know that the latter is contemplating an abortion. Nirupa decides to pay back Makhosazana Menzies money so she can remove herself from the situation. Nomsa later asks Zithulele to spy on Zithulele and the girls for a fee on Thursday. Yenzegile arrives looking for Macingwane to counter the run of the bad luck the family has been experiencing. Mandisa poses as a headhunter and interviews Makhosazana when spikes her coffee and abducts her on Friday. Zithulele organizes for her to see Macingwane to get to the bottom of it. Mandisa takes Makhosazana hostage and reveals her identity as Menzies' daughter. After hearing Sbongile's concern about living with the Bengus, Sizagele points out the stark nature of the choice before Sbongile. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.